and thank you for joining me today. In today's video, I had a request. Some viewers wanted to see my craft cart storage. This is the cart that you can get at Michael's. It's by Recollections and it's $30. It's one of those everyday value price items, so you're not able to use coupons on it. But I think the $30 is certainly worth it. You're able to roll it back and forth wherever needed. In the top, I have all of my sticker books. I got the labels for each book from a shop called Little Miss Fancy Plans. That's actually Marquita from At Home with Kita. She's made all the labels, and so I had those. I just kind of put them on top of each book, so at eye level, I find it pretty helpful. I've seen several hacks of what people do as far as keeping the sticker sheets within each book. A lot of people cut this off and then tie it up there. I like having the elastic band down there, so what I did, do you guys remember when we were little girls and we had those weave loom kits? Well, there was a kit at Michael's for like $7, and you got the plastic loom and then a bag, something like 100 of these things. So I just used a coupon on it, and for like, you know, $3.50 or $4, I was able to get all the looms. So that's what I did, because again, I liked having the elastic on that. So up here, these are my sticker books. Back here are my two seasonal ones. Back here I have the new Christmas and this one from AC Moore Christmas book. Then moving down to the second portion, this is where it gets a little crazy. This little container came from the Dollar Tree, and it holds all of my fitness rolls that I use when I use my wellness planner. And then this is the Happy Girl collection that just came out. So I kind of liked having them separate. So I have all the little multi-packs in the front, and then I have the two corresponding Happy Girl books there. So yeah, I've got Mom, Healthy Hero, Socialite, and then I've got the old Trendsetter. I got this idea from Kelva Plan on YouTube. As she took the little teeny sticker pads and took them apart and then just put them on extender discs. So these are just the Happy Girl sticker pad stickers. And then back here, behind that, I have the washi sticker books from the Happy Planner. So they go right there. And then I have, pull out this way, I have this little cart, and in here I have the remainder of the sticky pads from all the other collections. I have my little snap-in tabs. I've got some of the little sticky tabs. And then I just got some pen loops. And then I've got some of the older journaling cards. And then on this side, what I did on the multi-packs for all the other collections is I cut off the Post-it and the journaling card section and just had these and have them this way. I felt it was easier to kind of sift through those. And in these little containers, I got these. My boys love to eat 5 Gum. If you're familiar with that brand, they just love 5 Gum, and you can get these at Walmart, but you can get a larger pack of gum. And these, well, I keep these, and this is where in one I keep all my vinyl stickers or decals, and then in this one I keep all my fun little small doodle stickers or sampler stickers that I might have gotten from Etsy. So I stick those in here in this little plastic tub. And then on this side, well, back here I have the 2 packets of the journaling cards for the Healthy Hero and the Supermom. And then over here, I go through so many of these fitness stickers each week when you've seen some of my wellness videos. So these were some extras that I had. And then these sticker books are are not Happy Planner. That's why I've got them on the side. I guess that one is the little seasonal one. But these are the Agenda 52. So this is the fitness one, and then I've got the washi sticker one. I got that L one that's really cute with all the girls. Then I got all seasons, floral, home planning, everyday phrases, home life, and then I've got basic calendar, and then I've got the Carpe Diem ones. These are really fun to use in your mini monthly because they're just the perfect size. And then I've also got the bigger set, and again, this is good for your monthly portion of your planner. So I've got those. And then these are just all the, let's stick these back in here. These are just all the extra stickers that you get in all the undated planners. I just kind of clipped them together because you get so many when you buy an undated, but I just kept those there. And then behind those, I just have some of the extra plastic envelopes. These two came from Miss Maker. Actually, this one came from Miss Maker too, and then that was Healthy Hero. So I've got those there. So that's that. And then the final tier holds all of my extra inserts. And I just made all these little books, and they're either on classic or the expander discs. So this little one is all the mini inserts. This came from Miss Maker, and this was Healthy Hero. And if I have enough, I just use the little dashboards to kind of protect the front and the back. Okay, this one I got on expander, and same thing. This is all the mini little half sheets that I have. These I got from Office Depot, and they're great. You get like a huge amount for a small price. And I like these because they're double-sided, whereas the Happy Planner ones are not. So I'm a list maker, so I grab them practically daily. And then in this one, we get to the bigger size. These are the classic half sheets. These were the sheets that came in the kit where you could make your own sticker book. Well, I just used these, but then I added the sticky tab to the top, just kind of dividing each section. So this little book here has a lot of the colored paper, notes, weekly plans, and that was a really fun one. That was Miss Maker. And then in this one, this is more of the classic, and again, I did more of the tabs. This is more of, it's the expense one, Get Focused, Glam Girl, grocery list, and then the check it off. These were actually for the big size planner for the teacher, but I just cut them down because I thought they were pretty. And again, if you've watched my videos, I use one every week, where I do my running to go, to do, to call, brain dump, and then I always have a grocery meal plan. So I go through those pretty quickly. And then this little one, here's another little mini one. This one holds, oh shoot, that's where that ripped. These are the cute little sticky memo sheets. I've got Miss Maker and Socialite. And then here is all the inserts for the mini. Got Healthy Hero, Supermom, and then this was a little accessory kit where you got this folder and this folder, and then here's the little budget extra sheets. I think I did a video on that, how I use those sheets, and that came with another folder, so I have that. So that is all pretty much mini and half sheets. Then this was one of the Happy Notes, and this just was a notebook. I got this because in one of my videos, I think I showed how I Franken-planned. I used the Farmhouse Classic Planner, and I thought all these dividers really blended well, and the paper blended well with that planner. And then, let's see, okay. And this one, yep, this is just more full paper for the Classic in all different colors, different lists. And if I had some old dividers, I was kind of sticking them in between there, but then I kind of ran out of dividers. This one holds Oh, here's those sticker sheets that I was talking about that I made the dividers for the sticker. And here was the dividers that came with that sticker kit. See, they're just smaller than the classic size. These are the extra sheets that Happy Planner has, again, in the memory keeping line. I've got some folders. And then this is the remaining set of 2018 of the Glam Girl. Very sad. This was a really neat planner. I know a lot of us are hoping come next year they'll come out with something like this again. What made this so nice was that it was lined, but you still had the 3 boxes. So I'm keeping this because I'm going to probably use some of my sticker tape and I can redate that. That was Glam Girl. And then this one, this is more of the classic insert papers that I have. Got the project sheets, the daily sheets, the new daily sheets from the Super Mom collection, bunch of dot grid, graph, lists. They make a lot of paper, but I practically use them weekly. And then this last one, this holds the teacher checklist, and again, I think I have that in one of my videos where I show you how I Franken-plan and how I turn these into a household cleaning checklist. These stickers came with, this is the new dashboard layout extension pack that is not mom related, so it's undated. Yeah, that's really pretty. That came with all these dividers. And then I have the extension pack for the Trendsetter that was out this year. And I think I'm going to have a video coming soon of how I'm utilizing that. So that's what all those are. I got a lot of that. And then I also have then I have all the wellness extension pack. This is what I'm currently finishing up the year with when I do my wellness planning. And then I'll be moving into the Healthy Hero planner that I've really liked and enjoyed. That pack. I love these dividers, so I'll keep those. They were nice because there wasn't anything in the back. Let's see. Yeah, these dividers were from an older collection. I think you have to get on Amazon. And then this was from the Home Extension Pack, which they don't even make anymore. So I held on to those. And then this, which I have not done a video on, maybe I should, but it's our budget planner, and I have Franken-planned the budget planner, and so these are the remaining inserts for that. So, again, I just have old dashboards from old planners or covers on expanders. So I've got inserts, and inserts. This was Glam Girl. And then this turns into notes. And then these are all my half sheets for classic. And then it goes into the mini size. And that is my cart. And I just kind of roll it around, and I don't know, it just holds everything I need each week. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. I'll link the cart below. And thanks for watching.